Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing really good. Welcome back to my channel and Coders, where you will get information related to data science. I'm your guide Nitin Kandpal, an aspiring data scientist at VGI Robotics. Well, in our previous video, we got to know one of the type of operators in detail, which was arithmetic operator. So now moving on to another operator, which we gonna learn in detail is comparison operator. So without wasting any further time, let's dive into it. Well, comparison operator, or simply we can say relational operators. These six are the comparison operators. First we got less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to and not equal to. Precedence of comparison operators in Python, well, it is simple. All these six operators have the same precedence and they are evaluated from left to right. Now, equal to, well, this is the sign which we are gonna use to apply this operator, which is equal to, double equal to, or we can simply say, as if we use only single equal to, then it will be assignment operator, as it is used to create a variable. So now double equal to, well, what this operator do is it compares the value whether they are equal or not. If they are equal, then it will print true as the output. If they are not, then it will print false as the output. Like here 14 equal to 15 and then here 14 equal to 14. Now both in this case, in the first case 14 equal to 15, which is not true, so it will give us the answer as false. And 14 equal to 14, well, it is a true statement, as 14 is equal to 14, they have the same value, then it will give us the answer is true. Now if I do other thing as use a string here, hi, his, then equal to 14, then what I get is the answer as false, as this is not equal with this. It is just a simple operator to compare whether two values are equal or not, so don't worry about anything else. Now if I use the same string here, his, then here I got an error as I only used a single equal to sign. Here it is giving me an syntax error, as I tried to use a single sign of equal to compare values, as this is the true syntax for that. You have to use double equal to use a equal to operator. If I use only a single equal to, then it will be an assignment operator. Now to correct this mistake, I just have to do one thing, which is equal to his. Now I got the answer as true. Now moving on to another comparison operator, which is not equal to. Well, just the opposite of equal to. It will print true when the two values are different from each other, and it will print false if the two values are equal with each other. So from the previous number example, 14 not equal to 15, and here 14 not equal with 14. Here this statement is true, right? So it will print the output as true, and this statement is false, as 14 is equal with 14, so it will provide me the answer as false. Now again we're gonna use some different thing to do it. Can you guess the output of this statement? Well, if you got the answer, then comment in the comment box. True, right? As this is a complete different value and this is a complete different value, which is not equal with each other. Now moving on to another comparison operator, which is greater than. This is a sign used for greater than, this only. Well, what it do is it compares and tell us whether the value is greater than the other value, right? So if I write 20 and then greater than 3, tell me the answer in the comment box, as it is simple. True, right? 20 is a greater value than 3. Now if I write 3 greater than 20, then I get false as it is a wrong thing. I get false here as 3 is not greater than 20. Now let's try a different thing with string, as here in this comparison of operator, string has a Unicode characters, right? So Unicode character has a specified value of it and it will compare them on that basis. So if I write A in small, then greater than A in capital, right? And then again we're gonna do this the same with here. A in capital is greater than A in small, and another we got example, A in small is greater than A in capital. Well, now small a is greater than capital A, get me the answer as true, and capital A is greater than small a gives me the answer as false. Now you might be wondering, why is it so? Well, in Python, the alphabets and digits are represented by Unicode characters, which is not visible to us as we interact with alphabets and digits, but it is used in machine language, and these Unicode characters are specified. For example, it is only an example, small a has a value of 90 and capital A has the value 80. So when I compare small a is greater than capital A, it will compare those 90 and 80 value. So 90 is greater than 80, which is true. So here it presented true as the answer, and here it is false as 80 is not greater than 90. Well, important note, 80 and 90 are not the correct Unicode value for small a and capital A. I just took them as a reference to make you understand it. Now I can do the same here with string numbers also. If I write any number in string, then compare them with an alphabet, here I got this answer, false. So here we can conclude that small a to z is greater than capital A to z is greater than 0 to 9 digits. Well, the thing I write here is the correct Unicode order. This is the highest, it has the highest Unicode or number, it has lowest compared to these, and it is has the lowest number compared to both these. Now moving on to forward, we got another comparison operator which is less than. Well, it is the just opposite of greater than. So 3 less than 20 gives me the true answer. So less than is just basically the opposite of greater than. Now moving on to another operator which is greater than or equal to. Well, this is the syntax used for that. Well, what this operator do is it compares two values and it has two conditions, whether it will be greater than or equal to. So if the values is greater than, it will print true, and if the values is similar, then it will also print true. It works on two conditions, which is greater than or equal to. So if I write here 14 greater than or equal to 14, what I get is true, right? But if I simply write 14 greater than 14, what I get is false. So it means the equal to condition was true, which was 14 equal to 14, which is true. 14 and 14 are the same value, so it is true, right? Now 15 greater than or equal to 16. I got the answer as false, as neither of these conditions were true. 15 is not equal with 16 and 15 is not greater than 16. But if I simply just tweak a little, 25 is greater than equal to 16. What I get is true, right? As one of these conditions is true, which is 25 is greater than 16. Now moving on to the last but not the least operator in comparison, which is less than or equal to. Just like greater than or equal to, it works on both the conditions and it is opposite of greater than or equal to. Here 13 is less than or equal to with 14, I get the answer is true, as one of these conditions is true, which is 13 less than 14. Now here we got A less than equal with AB. We got answer as true. Try and give me the answer. Why is it true in the comment box? Well, thank you for watching this video. I hope you got to successfully understand what are the comparison operators and how to implement them. Till then we meet again. Like this video, share this video with your friends and family. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. Comment if you get any doubt. Till then we meet again. Peace out.